So this is how you create a lazy daisy. So bring your needle up through the fabric and pull it through. And then what you want to do is come back down into the fabric just to the left or right of that first stitch. And pull it through just until you create as big a petal as you want. And then what you're going to do is bring the needle again back up through the fabric at the end of your petal. And then tack it down just at the other side. So leave it loose enough so that obviously you get the formation of the petal. And then bring it down just the other side to tack it in place. So again, bring the needle up through the fabric, bring it back down just to the left or right of that first stitch. I'll just pull the thread rather than the needle. And pull it back through until you get how big you want your petal to be. So we'll make a slightly more oval one this time. And then bring the needle back up through the fabric and pull it through, and then tack it back down in exactly the same place or as close to it as where you've come out on this side, and pull that through. So again, bring it up through the fabric, back down just to the left or right of that original stitch. So we'll do another tight one. So find the middle of your petal and tack it down. Bring it up through, back in, leave it as loose or as tight as you want the petal to be. Bring it back up through the fabric. Oh, pulled it too tight. And just tack it down the other side. So I just want that to be slightly tighter. Back up, back down. So again, we'll do another tighter one. And pull that through, and then up and down. So this will be our last one. So again, create as large a loop as you want, and then find the edge of your petal. Oh. And then tack it back down, just the other side. And there you have a lazy daisy.